Hey everyone, welcome back to Growtheon. It's Mary here. In this video, I'll show you the this feature which is the agency domain. This feature allows you to connect your own custom domain so you can fully brand your platform, funnels, pages, and client experience. So, I'll show you how to set that up. And also, before we start, let's quickly talk about the agency domains are. Agency domains allow you to use your own branded domain instead of a default system URL. So, agency domains are shared across all workspaces. It let you replace Growtheon URLs with your own brand. Also, custom domains are commonly used for client portals, funnels, website, login pages, brand and CRM access, and white label SaaS platform. So, yeah, let's dive into how you access or where can you locate that agency domain. So, on your agency view, we have this settings and just click on that domains here. Agency domains again are shared across all workspaces. So configure your white label domain here. So all domains should name to here. So yeah. So we have two types of agency level domains. So each of them serves a different purpose. So for the white label domain, that is a branded login page and a platform URL. Like for example, app that your agency.com, and we have the API or branded links domain. So those are the branded system generated links for forms, calendars, surveys, and webhooks. Like for example, it's links.youragency.com. So both domains types are configured from agency settings domain and use the same DNS setup process. So each agency can have one active domain per type. So adding a new one replaces the previous. White label domain, it replaces the login page, or what changes will be made once you added the white label domain. So it changes the login page URL, all the internal navigation links, branding on the login screen, the logo, the favicon, the colors. So yeah, let's configure that in here. So again, go to your settings, domains, and you'll see add domain here. So, for example, white label app domain, we're trying to add a white label domain. So, just let's say that. And click add domain. And once you added, or once or after you click that add domain and put that information in there, just copy this information and add this records at your or to your domain provider. It's either Namecheap, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or any provider that you purchase or where you purchase that domain. Put this record or DNS record there. So once you added that DNS record to your domain provider, you'll return to this section and click the verify DNS. So DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate, but mostly it should complete within minutes. And you can also use the DNS checker tool or MX toolbox buttons in the wizard to check the propagation. So, yeah. So once you click or after you click that verify DNS button, and once that DNS is verified, the wizard, or you should be seeing this pop-up window saying that the domain connected, it has been verified and connected successfully, and just click done. And yeah, that's basically how you add a domain for a white label domain. And also best practices, test out, or you should also test the domain directly in your browser to make sure it loads properly. And if the domain isn't connecting, just double check your DNS values, remove any conflicting records, and verify that you enter the correct domain. It is also a good idea to manage all your domains in one central location so troubleshooting is easier later on. And that's it. That's basically how you add a domain. It's the same thing with the API. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial for today. And if you find this tutorial video helpful, please don't forget to follow us and also check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you. Bye.